Welcome back to Autoscope. 2026 Volvo Motorhome, blend of safety, sustainability, and luxury. Exterior. The motorhome's exterior will have a sleek, modern look with fuel-efficient lines, drawing inspiration from the most recent Volvo truck and bus designs. We'll install all LED headlights and taillights with configurable lighting patterns. Reducing total weight while boosting efficiency and mobility would require the use of strong, lightweight composite materials. Easy access will be given first priority in the doorway's design, and a concealed electric ladder may be included. The external storage areas will be strategically positioned and elegantly integrated. Interior. One of the main goals will be to utilize interior materials. Anticipate premium leather that has undergone vegetable treatment and repurposed fabrics. All of the motorhome's functions will be controlled by large touchscreens in the living area and dashboard. The galley has two sinks, a huge refrigerator with freezer, a microwave, a convection oven, and an induction cooktop. Large workstations have easily maintained, scratch-resistant surfaces. The beds will have cozy spring systems and premium mattresses. With built-in Wi-Fi, USB-C connectors everywhere, and potential 5G capabilities, you can get online fast and from anywhere. Dual-zone climate control system. For optimal comfort, this system lets you independently regulate the temperature in various areas of the RV. For shorter excursions, a fully electric vehicle BEV uses a high-capacity battery with a great range, an efficient internal combustion engine, battery, and electric motor are all combined in a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle PHEV to offer long-distance driving flexibility, not required depending on the model and size. All-wheel drive AWD or rear-wheel drive RWD offers superior traction on a range of surfaces. Regenerative braking and integrated solar panels on the roof that power internal gadgets and charge auxiliary batteries are examples of energy-saving innovations. Use sustainable and recyclable materials when building interior spaces.